We have lots of different species of crab in the aquarium. You'll be able to tell them apart because they have 10 legs, so they are a species of decapod. This includes the pincers as well when you count them, so it's 8 regular legs and then the 2 pincers. They have a hard shell all over the body. Even things like their eyes and the feelers have shell on them to protect them. Crabs are opportunistic feeders, which means that they'll eat anything that they find. They prefer to eat dead things because that requires a lot less energy than chasing an animal down. Crabs get on well in tanks with other rock pool animals such as starfish, like small prawns and small fish. But if they get around too many other crabs, they'll usually end up in a fight. And so what we try to do is not keep too many together. And when we do put them together, we tend to try and keep the same pair together so that they're not constantly meeting up with new crabs, because every time they meet up with a new crab, they have to have almost like a little fight for dominance to see which one's the tougher crab. Crabs have pincers. They can use these to chop up the food, almost like a knife and fork. They'll also use them to defend themselves. So if crabs get into fights with other crabs, they'll grab onto each other with the pincers, and what they'll sometimes do is they might break like a crab's other pincer off or break their legs off and things like that. Sounds a little bit grim, but crabs can actually regrow body parts. So even though they'll lose the fight, they'll be okay a little bit later on.